Hey, everybody, that code sample I'm going to show you today, I didn't come up with it myself. I picked it up in one of the SCOT Arena reports. I'll leave a link to it in the description of this video. But I've simplified this example a bit to make it more obvious to you. I think this example complements my current course on token development well. As you know, I'm currently filming the second season of my course and posting it on my Boosty. Actually, let's move on to the exploit. Pause the video and look at this transfer feature to see what is wrong with it. As you can see, the developers of the token have gone a bit overboard here, outsmarted themselves and introduced two additional intermediate variables in order to calculate the balance of the sender and the receiver after the transfer takes place. Accordingly, they started a new front balance variable where amount is subtracted from the sender's current balance. And they started a new to balance variable where the same amount is added to the recipient's current balance. This all works fine if the sender and receiver are different wallets. But if, for example, our recipient and our sender are the same wallet, and there's no verification in this function, so that the from address is not equal to the to address, we then assign the new from balance to our sender's wallet first, and then we assign new to balance to the same wallet. Accordingly, nothing is deducted from this balance, but the additional amount that this person transferred is simply added to it. Let me take this smart contract, the Remix test network, and show you how this happens. I cheered him up. We have all the tokens sitting in that first account right now. Let's transfer some tokens from it to the second account. For example, 1000 VEF of a given token, and the balance of our second account became 1000. Now I switch to the second account and start transferring, for example, 100 tokens each to myself. I transfer 100 tokens to myself. I have 1100 tokens on my balance. Transferring myself another 100 tokens. My balance is now 1200 tokens. That's the exploit. It is very easy to fix this feature. It is enough to add to it a check that the from address is not equal to the to address. Put a like if you liked this video. See you all again on my channel. Bye bye.